1073 this week, and I'm going to be your host, and we're going to go see what Team 1073 is doing this week. So here we're walking down the hall, taking it inside the Lions Den. Here we go. We got Anthony over here working with Vex. He's one of our software people. So Anthony, what you doing this week?
Trying to get the robot to drive.
That's a good thing. All right, Caleb, what are you doing this week?
Hi, I'm repairing this Vex robot right now. We fixed the software problem. The wheels are going backwards. Now we're working on fixing a hardware problem. The wheels are falling off. So,
okay,
that's
then.
pretty much it.
All right, keep going with that. All right, we're going into the shop now. Always wear your safety goggles. Dan just paused to put it on. All right, they moved one of the benches over here to make a prototype for the ball. We got the mill over here. We're not using that today. Swerz is over here working on the lathe. Swerz, what are you doing this week?
I'm filing down this encoder shaft so we can fit the bearing on it.
All right, now we're going to go over here. We have Tolan and Mr. Vollmer. Tolan, what are you doing this week?
I'm working on a mechanism to knock the ball off the overpass.
Off the prototype. All right, so we got people working this week. We got Jack and Brooks over here. Look like they're working on the robot. We have to censor this out. Can't see the robot here. There's like, all right. So Jack, what are you doing?
We're trying to figure out why this thing is like pretending to be off, but isn't.
No, you are. It's because the screws have washers in them and they're not coming out.
Oh yeah.
So
here we go. We're gonna go. This is sort of, I wouldn't call it a graveyard, but it has sort of like the past robots. We got Taurus over here. Don't Panic. Another part of Don't Panic. We have Enforcer from a few years ago. We have a huge robot claw that we used a few years ago. We have a giant teddy bear.
I never realized we had so many robots.
Alright, and then we have like the pinnacle of 1073 right here is Otis. It got us into the finals, and we really love this thing here. We get most of it, we come over here and look at it just about every day for inspiration. Otis is gonna kind of like, if Otis was on, he'd wave. So they're working on a prototype here for the lifter. All right. Swerz, how long encoder shafts coming?
They're done. Now we have to do these ones.
All right, that's good. Oh, they're even driving. Can I drive?
You don't really want to see this.
All right, no, this is good.
Ride one of the motors.
All right, Caleb ride one of the motors. This is like intrigue here. All right, next week we're gonna have more interviews and maybe an interview with our epic cameraman Dan.
We're making pretty good progress. We're almost done with the base. It's got some transmission problems that we worked out, made the shafts longer so we incorporated coders on them. It's almost done. We got John and Bertie on it. It's for mounting the lifter and the lifter structure to the base. It's going to be very strong, very rigid, no flexing. It's quality.
How do you feel about Glenn, the CEO?
Glenn, the CEO, he's doing a pretty good job this year. He's leading the team very well. You know, he's been at a lot of meetings. He can be kind of jumpy on some of his presentations, but he tries. He's pretty mysterious. I can almost see Glenn like living in the woods.